Here are 10 important points to learn during placement study. 1. Programming skills, preferably Python or R, and be able to write efficient and clean code. 2. Machine learning algorithms, such as linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, random forests, neural networks, etc. 3. Data visualization, that are easy to understand and communicate insights. 4. Data pre-processing, such as data cleaning, data normalization, data transformation, and feature engineering. 5. Data analysis, to perform exploratory data analysis, EDA. 6. Statistical analysis, such as hypothesis testing, ANOVA, and regression analysis. 7. Big data, such as Hadoop, Spark, and Hive. 8. Database systems, have knowledge of database systems and SQL queries. 9. Cloud computing, such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. At last, 10. Communication skills, communicate technical concepts to non-technical.